Linear functions and slope. A linear function is a function that could be written in the form f of x equals mx plus b. You may recall that we call that the slope-intercept equation for a line. We call it the slope-intercept equation because the m in our equation represents the slope of the line, and the b in our equation represents the y-coordinate of the y-intercept. So the y-intercept would be at the point 0, b. Well, here I have some linear equations. The first one is f of x equals negative 4/3 x plus 5. Just from looking at this equation, I know that the slope of this line is negative 4/3. And I know my y-intercept is the point 0, 5, which means it's going to cross the y-axis at y equals 5. My second function here is f of x equals negative 8x. Here, again, just from looking at it, I know that my slope is negative 8. The slope is whatever number is in front of the x. So here my slope is negative 8. Now, I don't see a plus b part out here beside that. It's almost like you have a plus 0 there. So in this case, my y-intercept is the point 0, 0, because my value for b is 0. So that means this line is going to go through the origin. This last equation I have written down here doesn't even have an x in it. This is what we call a constant function. The graph of a constant function is just going to be a horizontal line. Because we don't have an because we don't have an x in our equation, one way to think of this is f of x equals 0x plus 4. If you think of it that way, you can see that the slope of any constant function is going to be 0.